how do you see the future of patch management evolving?
Well, I think patching will become much less disruptive over time. We're already seeing that automation and infrastructure as code and more resilient infrastructures are already reducing the amount of time required for patching and minimizing that downtime. So instead of big maintenance events where everyone stays up late hoping nothing breaks, updates will happen in smaller increments and more frequently, with systems will be designed to absorb those changes while staying online. So high availability and automation will play a big role in making sure that happens. But the goal is to make patching almost invisible to end users. So security updates will still happen, systems will stay stable, and organizations do not have to choose between protecting their systems and keeping them available.